Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. We're headed to Michigan to bid on a RRR Fireblade. Let's head that way. I'll be here all day. So we stopped at a gas station. The auction is live in 13 minutes. We're gonna wait here and then it's gonna be go time. Now just a few highlights of this thing. Clean title, 4,000 miles. Man, I hope we can pick this thing up. It's gonna be a smoking sweet bike. I have the music off because it makes me anxious. Just listen to that. It's like I'm in a war zone. I think a gentleman has a pre-bid on it already. So if I click the max bid button, watch this. The price is at $13,500 right now. So if I click it, max bid, $13,600. Oh, I guess I'm the top. Earlier, I clicked it and it went instantly to $13,500, which means someone had a pre-bid on it. But it looks like I am the highest bidder right now. So sometimes you're allowed to put a pre-bid on a vehicle. So if someone bids, it auto bids for you up to whatever number you set it at. So if I wanted to bid on a vehicle at $10,000, and if it's at $3,600, I could just set, okay, I want to go up to $10,000, and anytime someone would push the bid button, it would instantly put my bid above theirs. That was confusing as heck. 10 minutes left, man. I can barely wait. Anyone want a Chevy Impala for 500 bucks? Going once, going twice? Sold. Sold. 3 minutes left. I'm still at this gas station. It's absolutely popping. 2 minutes.
Sold on approval.
My bid is currently the highest. Let's see what happens. Oh shoot.
Sold.
We're up next.
Your watch item is next on the block.
Oh man. Oh.
Sold.
We're up. Winning at 13,600.
New bidder.
Ooh, Connecticut. Put a bid in there. Wisconsin. Bonus time. Oh, golly. Florida. Connecticut. 14,300. Bonus time. No way. We just won it at 14,300. Oh, man. Wow, my heart is beating fast. I'm at a loss for words. We just got a freaking steal of a deal on a premium bike. Let's go pick this thing up. We are 1 minute away. Middle of Michigan, baby. Copart, here we are. I got a semi behind me. I gotta pull over. Get out of his way. Oh man. Holy smokes. Hey, this yard is filthy. They are busy out here. Having to go to the front office over there. Sheesh. I love this place. And those loaders are so sick. Pulling up. Oh, baby. Oh, my parking job's terrible. 1 second. All right, so now that we have arrived, we have to head into the office, get in line for a queue, get the title, the paperwork, and the loader will bring out the bike. This is like a mom and pop Copart. Like, it's in a barn, it almost looks like. But I moved out of the way because I don't have a trailer, so I'm just gonna park over here. Hopefully when they bring it out, we can get a vest, go in there. I want to check out what else they got back there. But man, I'm just super excited to pick up this RRR. It's gonna be about 20 minutes. I got the choco set up, the ramp, tailgate's open, and we're just waiting. Just got a text. They're ready to assist me. Let's go. We're gonna have to go out there because I want to see what other bikes they got real quick. We have to check it out. I've only been out here 10 minutes. Really nice loader right there. Just asked me what I'm waiting for because apparently someone else is supposed to bring it out because I've been out here for a bit. As you can see, there's new people already in the lane. So they're gonna go get it for me. But that shows me that he cares. He's thinking about people in this lot and he's going to get the bike hopefully. So really appreciate that. Baby, there she is. Sheesh, that looks good. Oh my gosh, that is crazy as heck, dude. Wow, that is, it gets me every time. Just the precision needed. All right, I'm gonna put the camera down, let this guy load it. I need 2 hands for this bad boy. This is a Fireblade, man.
back through the handlebar.
Gotcha. You know where the key is for this?
Right here in my hand. I backed it off the zip tie.
Oh, sweet. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Tried to get it to start, but
Oh, really?
the battery's supposed to.
Yeah, I bet. Oh, man, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Oh, it did run when it got put in there because I'm the one who put it in there and I drove it.
Oh, yeah? How'd it drive? Take a bite? Oh, yeah. Thank you, sir. Well, guys, we just got it in the chalk. Let's strap this baby up. Man, she is beautiful. And check out this key. I have to show you right now. Look at that. It's a freaking flip key. That is sweet. Never seen one of these keys before. She is absolutely filthy. So let's get the straps on it and then we're gonna take a look at the bikes real quick. All right, there she is. There's the new bike. Let's get in the yard, check out a few other bikes, and then dip to the house. We are in, but they close in 4 minutes. We gotta run. All right, man. Oh, RZR, that is sick. I'm not sure where the motorcycles are. We gotta go ask someone real quick. One. Oh, that is beautiful. Dang. Ninja CRF 125F. Man, that's a tiny bike. No sporty bike. So, oh, is this a Grom? No way. Oh, I have never even. CF Moto? What? Oh, this is a Rapio. Rapio. Never even heard of that. What in the. This is a Grom, right? For sure. Yeah, Grom. It's crazy. Extended swing arm? Oh, that thing looks beautiful. And lastly, oh man, what is this? Oh, a V2 Panigale. This thing is beautiful. Keys, everything dash. Oh, that's beautiful. All right, they're closing, so I gotta dip now. So I had to dip, they're about to close. But there's some burnt bikes over here. I guess we'll just walk over here real quick. Whew, man, some cooked bikes. All right, time to go. There's a burnt bike there. And here's an absolute destroyed Kawasaki. Holy smokes. She's gone. Is the frame correct? I don't know. Oh, it's really shaved down though. Ah, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. All right, anyway. We gotta run back. Mustang. Those are sweet. I'd love to get a Can-Am or a RZR. That would be so sick. Kind of a small yard, but we gotta go back because they're closed. But there are a ton of cars. And as I'm walking out, another bike's getting loaded. They only have a few amount of bikes, but a big shout out to the Michigan Copart. They let me slide through literally 3 minutes before they closed just to check out some bikes. But now we're hitting the road with the CBR. Let's head home. I'm sorry. The Fireblade. Well, I'm filling up at the gas station, and unfortunately, the rear seat blew off. Must have just been while I was driving because it is completely gone. That's unfortunate. It looks like everything else is still here, thankfully. Battery tender, whatever. Rear seat's gone. But did you guys see this? That's how you start the bike. That is so cool. So So I just got back with the bike. We unloaded it from the truck. Actually, my neighbors over there helped me unload it. And as you can see, the brake lever is completely broken. There's no brake pressure, like it's gone. This piece literally just broke off, so there's no pressure in the cylinder. So what I did was I threw it in first gear and controlled it with this little bad boy right here down the ramp. It ended up working out perfectly. Now we're gonna roll this sucker back into the garage with the other beasts. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Back in the garage after a much needed wash. So like you guys saw previously, here's our new build, a Honda GC1. Here's our beautiful Honda 1000RR-R SP. All right, no canyons, no leaving this on the side of the road. I'm super excited to start working on this 2021 Honda CBR1000RR-R SP. So these taillights are done for. Fortunately, they're not too expensive, but for the rear tail tidy delete, the dude had to actually cut into the rear plastic piece. As you can see, that is not factory. This Yoshimura tail tidy for the CBR1000RR-R Fireblade actually has you cut into the rear piece. But it also is very nice because it plugs right into the factory harness. Also, check out how similar this red is to the BMW S1000RR M package fairings. And the factory blue on this bike has a ton of metallics in it, and I love it. Anyway, here's the rear all sorted out, and yes, the key does work. Such a drastic difference in the frame from this RRR to my RR back in the day. Now we're gonna pause on the rear of the bike because my brother got me a gift. He said to open it up. He said this is for the shop, and it's pretty big, so let's crack it open, see what it is. So like I said, this is a gift from my older brother. Thanks, bro. No more picking up tools off the ground. Now I have 2 giveaways for you guys. Briefly, before we get into those, Sharky Boy has not claimed his gloves yet, so the second place winner from these screenshots from my siblings is this gentleman right here. So hit me up on Instagram, get your gloves. Now the first giveaway I have for you guys is a Cardo unit. Yes, that's right, a complete Cardo unit for free. Subscribe to Cardo on YouTube. Follow them on Instagram, send me the screenshots of both of those things, and the first 20 people will be entered into a giveaway drawing, and we will pick the winner in the next video. Plus, all the time, I have a 10% discount code, CJ Media, for 10% off your order if you get any Cardo products. Finally, the last giveaway is not this Fireblade, but a choice of one of you guys, so I'm gonna scroll through the comments here, and this person just won a keychain, so pick out of all these options here, text me on Instagram, and I'll have it sent over to you from Motoloot. We'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya. A CBR, a Fireblade, no, not a Fireblade, just a 1000, I think. But that's cool. I think he's following me. He knows I got a fire. He knows I'm a Fireblade owner now. There he goes off into the sunset.